Hi everyone, welcome to London. I'm Roshni and I'm the head Floralista at Floral Street. I'm here to introduce you to our latest clean and conscious, vegan and sustainable fragrance, Sunflower Pop. For this fragrance, we are so excited to have collaborated with the world-famous Gogh Museum, bringing fine fragrance and fine art together, captured in this bottle. This clean, plant-friendly fragrance is truly inspired by the beauty and nature of Vincent van Gogh's iconic masterpiece Sunflowers, which he painted as a symbol of gratitude and optimism. Created by master perfumer Jérôme Epinette, Sunflower Pop is a citrus fruity fragrance. A bright, vibrant, expressive and happy scent, this is really perfect for everyone. This truly is a masterpiece in a bottle. Now let's explore some of the hero ingredients in our happy sun-soaked scent. The responsibly sourced natural bergamot in our Sunflower Pop has been grown for over 6 centuries in the south of Italy near the coast in the province of Calabria. Our fragrance house Robertet has a long-term partnership with a local community of growers in the region, and they provide both technical and financial support to them all year round. The green, clean bergamot adds a burst of zest and a juicy energy to this fragrance. For Sunflower Pop, we wanted to capture the sweet scent of honey without taking from nature. So in our lab, we created a honey accord. This is a nature-identical, vegan-friendly ingredient that captures that warm honey scent that we all love, adding a touch of happiness to the fragrance. Our final hero ingredient in Sunflower Pop is a Bellini accord, a fantasy ingredient created by our master perfumer Jérôme Epinette to add a pop of fun to the scent. Science and nature come together to create the sparkling blend. Sweet peach combined with fizzy Prosecco provides the Bellini pop in the fragrance. What's more to love, all our fragrances are Eau de Parfum, and with 20% fragrance oil, they're super long lasting. And sustainability does not just stop at our scents, it's at the heart of everything we do. That's why all our clean fragrances come tucked inside this planet-positive pulp packaging, which is reusable, recyclable or biodegradable. You can even use it to plant seeds in, truly making it good for you and better for the planet. We are so excited for you to try our new fragrance, available both in travel spray and full size. Sunflower Pop truly is a masterpiece in a bottle, and we can't wait for you to experience it.